Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Fettuccine Alfredo Primavera. Okay, next up for our Fettuccine Primavera is red bell pepper. These are very sweet, so it's a great accompaniment to all the other ingredients in. So I like to just slice it down like that, and you'll see all the seeds in the pod right there. I just like to take that out just like that, and see it all comes out just right. Go ahead and take that rib, any part of that out. These have already been washed nicely, but you can also rinse these as well. You must get all the seeds out that you can. And go ahead and just grab that other side. Set all that inside stuff apart. And then what I like to do is cut from the inside. If you cut from the outside, this is very slippery, a little tough on the outside. But if you start on this side, you just cut these into strips, just like this. Just run your knife lengthwise, and you have some beautiful strips here. And I think for this recipe, we're going to leave these in these strips. Again, it'll be a different sort of shape than we have on other things. It's going to cook just as well. I think it's really attractive too, with the red, with all the other colors that we have.